All right, Jennifer, confession time. I've been trying to learn Japanese, but every time I open a textbook, my brain says, nope, too many symbols, I quit.
Honestly, same. Textbooks feel like homework trauma. But what if we learn Japanese the way humans actually talk? Through small talk.
Small talk, like awkward elevator conversations?
Exactly. Except cooler because it's Japanese, and you get to sound polite without really trying.
I'm in. Teach me how to survive a Japanese small talk.
Okay, first rule of Japanese small talk, greetings are everything. The most common one is, konnichiwa.
Konnichiwa.
Not a spell, Duncan. It just means hello or good afternoon.
Oh, good. I was worried I summoned something.
Now, in the morning, people say, Ohayo gozaimasu.
That's long.
True. Friends often shorten it to Ohayo, just good morning.
Okay, I like that. Casual, friendly, minimal effort, my brand. So how do you say how are you in Japanese?
Funny thing, Japanese people don't ask it as often as English speakers, but when they do, they say, Genki desu ka?
Genki desu ka?
Perfect. It means, are you well?
So if I'm tired but pretending to be fine?
Then you say what everyone says. Genki desu, I'm good.
Wow, Japanese honesty level, polite edition.
Let's add some emotion. Small talk isn't robotic, it's human. I'm good. Genki desu. I'm tired. Tsukarete-imasu. I'm busy. Isogashii desu.
Tsukarete-imasu. That feels accurate to my soul.
Same. Honestly, Japanese has a word for every emotion, especially exhaustion.
And now, the universal small talk topic, weather.
Yes, in Japan, weather talk is elite small talk. Atsui desu ne. Samui desu ne.
What's the ne at the end?
Great question. Ne means right or don't you agree? It invites connection.
So instead of just stating facts, you're emotionally bonding over heat.
Exactly. Japanese small talk is polite empathy.
Leaning in, give me some cheat codes.
Oh, I got you. So desu ne? Yeah, that's true. Naruhodo? I see. Honto desu ka? Really?
Wait, I can just say naruhodo and sound smart?
Yes, people will think you're deeply listening.
I'm using this in English conversations now.
Soft, sincere. Emotion matters a lot in Japanese culture. Arigatou gozaimasu. Thank you. Casual. Arigato.
Warm. That word feels kind.
It really does. And sorry is sumimasen.
That's sorry?
It's also excuse me and sometimes even thank you. One word, many emotions.
Amazing. Efficiency and feelings. Respect. Okay, how do I escape a conversation politely?
Important life skill. Ja mata? Well then, see you. Mata ne. See you later. Kiotsukete. Take care.
That last one feels caring.
Because it is. Japanese small talk ends with kindness. Okay, quick role play. Ready?
Nervous but excited. Ready.
Cheerful. Konnichiwa, Duncan. Genki desu ka?
こんにちは、元気です。でも、ちょっと疲れています。
おー、本当ですか？忙しいですか？
はい、忙しいです。暑いですね。
そうですね。じゃあ、またね。
またね、気をつけて。Alright, quick recap.
Hello, こんにちは。How are you? 元気ですか？ I'm good, 元気です。It's hot or cold. 暑いですね。寒いですね。Really? 本当ですか？ Thank you. ありがとう。ありがとうございます。See you. またね。じゃあまた。
And remember, you don't need perfect grammar. Small talk is about connection, not perfection.
If you enjoyed learning Japanese this way,
Like this episode. Subscribe for more AI podcast-style language lessons. And comment, Naruhodo, if you're learning Japanese with us.
JS. Next time, we'll learn Japanese through daily life conversations.
Until then,
またね。
mata ne!